Hey guys, 2018 F550 6.7 turbo diesel. We are working on a changing the fuel filter. The second one, the one's on the motor. That's on the first video, which should be right before this one. Now, right here is this thing. You gotta turn this. You turn it and let it drain. There'll be a whole bunch of fuel come out of there. I popped the damn sensor out. I think I started waiting, and it filled my little jug up here. It drains out probably close to a gallon. It feels like it anyway. Seems like it. Anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 millimeters. You take that out, and I'll be back with another video here in just a minute to show you how to change the filter.